How to fix a damaged skin barrier. Your skin feels irritated, dry, and sensitive. Chances are your skin barrier is damaged, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it and get your skin back to being healthy and glowing. What is the skin barrier and why it matters? Think of your skin barrier like a protective shield. It locks in moisture and keeps out irritants, bacteria, and pollution. When it's damaged, your skin becomes vulnerable to redness, dryness, breakouts, and even premature aging. Signs your skin barrier is damaged. Not sure if your skin barrier is in trouble? Here are the biggest signs: persistent redness, tightness, peeling, increased sensitivity, and breakouts that won't heal. What causes a damaged skin barrier? So, what's damaging your skin? Overexfoliating, using harsh skincare products, skipping moisturizer, or too much sun exposure can weaken your barrier over time. How to fix it step by step. Here's how to repair your skin barrier fast. Switch a gentle hydrating cleanser. Make note, no stripping foams. Use a fragrance-free soothing moisturizer with ceramides. Add hydrating serums like hyaluronic acid. Stop exfoliating for at least a week. Always apply SPF to prevent further damage. The power of skin barrier repair ingredients. Look for ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, squalene, and panthenol. These help restore your barrier and bring your skin back to life. Final verdict: a strong skin barrier is always equivalent to healthy, radiant skin. Be patient, simplify your routine, and let your skin heal. Have you ever damaged your skin barrier? How did you fix it? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you in the next video. Bye for now.